little bit slow but fast as well. Lack of romance occupied you. This person always like that. They are just waiting that version. What if your heart is going to break? They will deal with feelings later. First, they need to occupy you. Hi Scorpio, welcome back to my channel, Little Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your bonus love reading for full moon, January 2021. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these readings. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern, this spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you, and what their feelings towards you. Okay, let's get started. What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? And we are having here Knight of Pentacles, the Chariot, King of Pentacles, the World. What are the Scorpion's feelings toward this person? What are the Scorpion's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Two of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Cups. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Wheel of Fortune and Ace of Sword. These are your cards and sign that would relate to your person. It could be any Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ace of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ace of Sword, Cancer with this Chariot. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling here. And your person want to offer you stability. Little bit slow but fast as well. Slow and fast. This person want to chase you as soon as possible and want to offer you stability and want to take baby step, slow step. Chasing you fast in this matter. Just want to chase you, want to grab you. This is like their fast thing. But the slow thing is they want to understand you, want to offer you stability. They want to understand you more and more and take a step by step to with you. And this person is so grounded and responsible. Lack of romance. They will deal with feelings later. They will deep depth of feelings, they will deal with that later. But first priority is just to chase you, just to have you, just to occupy you. This person want to occupy you with like all the positivity, all the positivity. This person want to offer you stability. They want to understand you. They want to know more about you. There is a cycle complete between both of you and this person, a complete, and they want to begin a new thing. There is something start, Scorpio, a new thing start, a new cycle start between both of you. This person is like lack of romance, deal with feelings later, but right now this person want to occupy you, and this person is so stable on their ground, and they feel like that you are so stable on your ground. There is some kind of stability in this person after all this time. After there is some kind of stability in this person, and this person want to occupy you, want to chase you. And you think in your side this person always like that, juggling with multiple things, always a lot of things in their plate, and this person is like divided into two, and you think this person is imbalanced and make you imbalance as well. This person is not finding a right balance and causing you some kind of imbalance as well. But the thing is that ace, new beginning, new passion, emotions, stability, something is started new from your side. You want new beginning in your life, new passion, new emotions, new feelings, something fresh and new you want. With this ace, everything is new. New stability. With stability, first step, you want something new, stable, strong foundation. You want not this person. You don't want this person in your life anymore. You want a new person in your life. Stability, fresh start in your life. You want, because this person making you an option and you really don't want to be an option. So what you want stability. Start from this thing. That's the first card in your chart. Want stability, passion, like passion, physically, admire you the way you deserve to, admire you, and feelings, a deep feelings, fresh emotional feelings for you, a lot of emotions. This is what you want in your life, fresh feelings. You want someone to, invest your feelings, your emotions, your love. Here, there is love and emotions. You are alive, full of life person, and the full of life person got everything in them: feelings, emotions, passion. 80% a human being made of feelings and emotions. So you want someone to give your love, your feelings, your passion with stability. This is the most beautiful things you are like in you, and you are willing to give to this new person. You want new person in your life, and this person, there is a roller coaster, feelings are ups and down, and this person, you are this person's lucky jam. This person find you. That's why, after you made up your mind, you want to have a new person in your life. This person want to occupy you, want to chase you. This person try their best, become the version, the way they know what you want. They know that what you want. They are just wearing that version and trying to grab you. And because you are beneficial for this person, you are the cure, you are the remedy with this wheel of fortune. This person find you, you are the luck for this person. But no. On other hand, ace, ace, everything, the four suits telling this person, and energies telling you the you want fresh new start in your life, and you so gonna cut off every emotional blackmailing and excuses from your, you want to remove everything. You want to take a knife and a remover and remove every negativity from your life. You become like a, now you act like a Scorpio here. You want fresh new start in your life, in every area of your life. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Scorpio. What else? Okay, Seven of Pentacles. What else we have for Scorpio? What else we have for Scorpio? And we are having here Six of Wands, and as an outcome, Six of Pentacles. So with this Seven of Pentacles, this person feel like that they invest everything in you. They give you their 100%, and they are waiting for you. Highly, I can say this person is waiting for you. Whenever you change your mind, and you are not going to change your mind. You are never gonna change your mind for this person. And this person waiting for you. The thing is that this person is waiting for you. And you are victorious here. Having these desires and looking for your dreams, this kind of dreams making you victorious. If you go, you are going with the new fresh start, so it will cause you success. You feel victorious, you are satisfied, you feel some kind of victory in you, there is some kind of pride in you are not compromising over your self-respect and your pride. What you want, these beautiful values, these fresh start is the beautiful, with beautiful values, with stability, fairness, feelings, emotions. This is what you deserve, and this is what you want, and that make you successful here. And there is some kind of, you are not going to compromise over your pride and your self-respect, and that's how you become victorious. This is a sign for you, Scorpio. You so gonna capable of get whatever you want these emotions and feelings. This will you get. That's how you are victorious. This is a sign for you. Go for it, and just be generous, supportive the way you are. There is some kind of generosity side switched on. There is some kind of, supportive sign switched on. Be generous, be kind to the deserving one. And this person, as I told you, find you beneficial. This person want to use your resources. This is their what they want from you, and this person find you beneficial. Check this pattern, this chart. This person want to use your resources. Okay, let's see. What should you do? What should you avoid? What should you do in this situation? how to heal, how to deal with this person, and what should you do. Three of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Four of Wands. So with this Three of Pentacles, a new project, everything is new, start in your life. Just go for it. And don't, when, there is a stage when you think like that, what if your heart is going to break? This is you are thinking right now. Don't think like that. When will your heart going to feel the pain and break? This is not gonna happen because of this Four of Wands. Celebration, meet up, happiness waiting for you. Celebration, be happy. Don't, suffocate yourself. Don't back, push back yourself because you are afraid. What if your heart is going to break? What if you failed? Don't use these ifs, whats, and ifs in your right now. Right now, go for this new project. Build yourself, rebuild connection with the new person. Seek for a new person. Be the this you are the in your best version right now. You become a best version of you. So don't be afraid like when your heart going to break. Don't think like that. And there is a celebration waiting for you. There is a happiness, a meetup waiting for you. Maybe you met someone in a gathering. This is a clear indication for you. Just be victorious the way you are, Scorpio. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this situation. What your angel want to add in this situation. Yoga and exercise are essential for your well-being, peace of mind, and spiritual growth right now. Get some abs and curves. This is your angel want to tell you. Okay, let's see what advice message is. Spend some time with nature. Don't give up. Don't give up because this love yourself and block, delete instead. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person now realize they need to offer you stability. This is what you want, and this person want to chase you. This person want to occupy you. Something is completed between both of you, and this person is like they will deal with feelings later. First, they need to occupy you. This is their intentions towards you, and you want, this person making you always making you a second option and a second priority. This is what you don't want in your life. That's why you want a fresh new person, a fresh new start in your life. And don't be afraid what if your heart is going to break. Nothing is gonna break. Hang on there. There is someone waiting for you, Scorpio. Full moon, positivity, a lot of positivity for you, happiness for you. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.